New feature alert. Generate an interactive practice quiz.
Hello and welcome to Teacher Approved Tech Tips. Today we are doing something so cool that is inside of Gemini. There is a trick, a secret phrase you can use to have Gemini create you an interactive quiz on anything you want. So whether it's something that you as a teacher want to learn more about, or you teach grade 7 and up and you have concepts that you want your students to practice on their own, this is an incredible trick to teach them how they can work on that independent learning on their own. So let me show you how it works. So I'm going to flip over to the science and technology curriculum and I'll just show you grade 7 today.
Copy the expectations that you're targeting.
Now here I am back in Gemini, and here's where I use my secret phrase and I say, generate a practice quiz. It's this phrase practice quiz that triggers it to build an interactive quiz for you. It's some sort of key phrase that they built into the system. And I ask it to start. And here we have it. It's starting to build our interactive quiz right here on the side. It's not done yet, so I'll just wait a couple more seconds until it loads fully and show you exactly how it looks when it's done. So I'm just going to click through these to showcase, but notice that they also have a hint. And I'll move myself out of the way. Bye. To show you. Think about what makes an ecosystem more than just living things. So let me click through and we'll come back. It allows you to analyze your performance, gives you highlights, focus areas. Here's where you should keep learning. But it also gives us the option of creating flashcards or a study guide based on the materials you're studying. So if I click flashcards, so here we have it. Flashcards based on the concepts I was learning. What is an abiotic component? I can think about what the answer is, flip it over, and boom, it pops it up right there for me. Truly, truly incredible. And it will also do a study guide based on that. Now that's
That's teacher approved.